salad, you're hungry, you came home, oh my God, Maxine's Corner, you've done it. Thank you very much. I know what I'm making today. You're welcome. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Okay, so you see the bowl. You're wondering what I'm making. I am making a healthy, quick weight loss kale salad. So let's get moving. All right, so what you're gonna need is kale, and I am using 2 cups of kale. Yes, 2 cups of kale. If you wanted to, you could put a little bit of omega-3 oil in this and just massage everything in. But if you are plant-based, you are going to skip that step. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil, just a teaspoon to this. Once again, if you're plant-based, please skip this step. It's not a necessity. And what I'll do is I'll take my hands and I'm just going to massage the kale just a little bit like this. So just massage it. Just like that. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to add 2 cups of tomatoes. And this is a perfect weight loss salad for the summer. You make it in advance, you come home, you're hungry, you want to have something to eat, it's perfect. And once again, it's 2 cups of tomatoes. All right. Once I've added my 2 cups of tomato, I'm just going to toss everything together. Delicious weight loss salad, perfect for this hot summer weather. Actually, it's perfect for any weather, especially if you want to lose weight. Oh, just lost one. My healthy people, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm just tossing everything together a little bit, just the tomatoes and the kale. Now I'm adding 1/2 cup of cranberries, okay, to this. Gives it a nice color, doesn't it? Looks so pretty. And I'm going to be doing a 21-day challenge. I do have a link in the description box, so once you see that, go ahead. It's a survey. Sign up and let me know what services you're interested in, because I actually have a little bit more time to take on some more clients now. So if you're interested in some services, please let me know in the description box, and I will put the link for the survey for you to sign up and join our 21-day weight loss challenge. Space is limited. Now I'm going to add some slivered almonds, and it's about 1/3 cups of slivered almonds. Don't forget, I'm making a lot. Doesn't it look so pretty? Tell me. Listen, you have a party and you bring the salad out. Ooh! Everyone is gonna want that recipe. Hey guys, don't forget to share this recipe with a friend. Let them know about Maxine's Corner. If you love this channel, go ahead and give this video so far a big thumbs up. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the zest of a lemon, and I'm pretty much just going to go ahead over here with the zest of a lemon. Love lemon zest in my salad. And also what I love about the salad is that the kale is low in calorie, high in fiber, and it's packed full of magnesium. You know, it's a matter of fact, it's 0 calorie with this kale, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's high in iron as well. So if you want your iron intake, at least a cup of kale per day is about the serving size as far as kale's concerned. So that's my zest. And almonds were packed full of protein, calcium, vitamin E. Just packed full of lots of wonderfulness, okay? So now I'm going to take my lemon, I'll cut it in half, like so. Okay? So I'm going to squeeze the juice of 1 lemon all over. Look how good this looks. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's good too, alright? So I'm squeezing that. And last but not least, you're going to add some salt, and the salt is for taste. And then I'll check the taste. So just 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we do the mixing of the salad. Yes, yes, yes. And that's all you're going to need, guys. Wasn't that so simple? Look at how pretty this salad looks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell so you will get your notifications to all the video. And once again, don't forget about my weight loss support group. The link is also in the description box. That's free. 5-minute salad. you're hungry, you came home. Oh my God, Maxine's Corner, you've done it. Thank you very much. I know what I'm making today. You're welcome. Just subscribe to the channel, okay? You don't want to miss these healthy recipes, right? That's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out some of these other videos as well. And what? Stay healthy.